fact just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Okay, the new Honda. This is a HRX, so this is the new 2020 upgraded model and self-propelled. It has variable speeds. It's a 3-in-1 mower. You can mulch, you can bag, or you can just go without the bag altogether. And it's got this thing called Verimo, whereby you can set it 100% bag, you can set it 100% mulch, or you can set it in between. If you want to pick up half the grass and mulch the other half, you can do so. Or you can go away from the bag altogether and just put it all in the ground. But we've had tremendously heavy rain, so the grass is really high. So I've set the thing up almost as high as it'll go, and I'm going to try half bag, half mulch to start it. So to start, the instructions said turn on the gas, which we have after filling the tank. I've turned it up to release the blade, and I am going to bring this to tension. Now we're going to empty the bag for the first time. As you can see, it's pretty well full. Let's hold this up. wheels on the ground.
What can you say about the mower?
The mower is a Honda mower. It is the new 2020 model, and
Talk a little bit.
thing I like about it is, number one, it's a Honda. It's got the little bigger engine compared to the previous model. It also has a slightly wider mowing base, 22 inches. The thing probably that sold me completely was the fact that you can do either 100% mulching or 100% bagging, or you can do any combination in between. So if you don't want to bag 100%, you can put it half mulch, half bag, which is a nice option to have that many other mowers don't have. It's either or, where this one gives you the ability to fine tune the cut a little bit. And so I'm very pleased so far, and Honda gets a thumbs up, and don't forget to give Maria a thumbs up as well. Subscribe today, it's very important. Feed our children.
Geese.
Sayonara.